Hello, boy cakes, welcome back. I have the salad that my sister showed me. Shwani cake can plug you when it comes to food. My sister can cook, guys. So this is basically raw broccoli and cauliflower that I finally chopped. I bought this pack where it says half broccoli, half cauliflower, and then you're going to finally chop your peppers. We call them robot peppers in South Africa. So your bell peppers, I'm gonna finally chop all three of these peppers, and then you add red onion. I'm going to use half of an onion, this one, because onion is sweet, and especially this red one, so it adds to carbohydrates. And the other thing that I'm going to add is coriander. You can add parsley, you can add dill as well for the flavor. And then you're going to use the salt and pepper. Guys, we're busy making a braai, so that's why these matches at the back. So yeah, this is salt and pepper, and I discovered this mayonnaise from Discam, guys. This mayonnaise is delicious. I love the cup liver from Woolies, but it's so pricey because a small one that's up to here is like 60 rand, so I had to compromise, and I saw this under the Benton friendly sticker and I enjoyed it. This is the third one that I buy. This is the third one that I buy. It does have a bit of sugar inside, but what I usually do is read the nutritional information as packed. As you see, per serving total sugar is 0.9. If I use 100 gram, it's 6.1, and carbohydrates it's 7 for 100 gram, and for per serving is 1. So knowing those, that's why I also bought it. I was like, okay, it's still under 50 grams, because with Benting up to 50 grams a maximum of 50 grams of carbs can be used. So I'm still safe when I use it. It is very tasty and it's vegan friendly as well, so it's egg free, dairy free, so that's why I love it so much. So I'm gonna finish my salad. I'm not gonna do it on camera, but I'll show you the final product. So yeah, I thought that would be nice just to share. So yeah, so here is everything chopped, guys. I hate chopping, but I have to do it. My mom loves chopping, and I'm going to add lemon or lime just for that zing together with the lemon and pepper. So this is the final product of the salad, and I'm gonna have it with meat.